For the stages of adulthood, you're going to be creating a project in Google Sites. So for this project, I'm going to take you through how to do everything in hopes that you can watch the video and do it yourself. So the Stages of Adulthood project, you are going to be creating a autobiography of yourself. Here on this document, I have a little information about what a biography is, but just know an autobiography is a written piece about the author. So you're going to be creating this Google site about yourself. For this project, there are certain criteria that you have to hit or that you have to master. You, like I said, will be creating autobiography about your life. You have to have at least 4 pages, and each page is going to be worth 10 points each. I need to see an adolescence page, a young adulthood page, middle adulthood page, and an older adulthood page. So using the textbook and using the notes that we have gone over in class, in each page or each category, you need to include 4 vocab terms. So like I have in the example, a lot of older adults will develop arthritis or Alzheimer's or osteoporosis. So those are some of the vocab terms that you can use when you get to that section. You will also need to include at least 2 pictures for your adolescence tab. Since you are in that age range, you can use pictures that you currently have. When you get to your young adulthood, older adulthood, and middle adulthood, you will need to find pictures from these 2 websites. Those 2 websites, you will not need to cite your sources. You can just take pictures right off of them and use them for your website. Make sure when you are creating this Google site, you are being creative. You will have to include, if you're doing any kind of post-secondary schooling, your career needs to be covered, any interest and hobbies you have throughout the age ranges. If you would like to have a family, your cause of death, all of those things have to be covered within your site or within your tabs. I'm going to take you into I'll take you into my Google site that I've created, and then I will show you how to get into your own. So this is my Google site that I've created. I have my adolescence tab, my young adulthood, middle adulthood, and if you click more, here's my older adulthood tab. So if I click on my adolescent tab, you will see that I have used 4 different vocab terms. We talked about how adolescents are energetic, they're immature, they're searching for identity, and we talked about the physical peak. So you can read over this if you have a chance, but this is just my life in the age ranges of 12 to 13 or 12 to 18. Here's 2 pictures. I enjoyed playing field hockey, and then a picture of my graduation with my family. Young adulthood, age ranges 18, or that's when I attended college, 18 to 22. But you know that young adulthood age ranges from 19 to 40. So here's a picture of my family currently. Middle adulthood, this is age ranges 40 to 65. You're creating and nurturing. Since I am not at this stage yet, this is where I would take pictures from those 2 websites that I've given you to put into this page. And let's see. So my older adulthood, again, hopefully this is not what I look like when I grow up, but like I said, I had to use a picture from one of those two websites. I'm still using vocab terms. I'm reflecting on my life. I have goals. I did develop arthritis. And at the age of 84, I passed away of natural causes. Okay. So those are some things that I have put in mind. You can lay it out like I have it, or you can do your own thing. But I'm going to get you into how to create a Google site. In your search engine, in your search box, all you need to type is Google Sites, and it'll bring you up to this page. You want to create a Google site, and you want to create it in the new sites. Once you get here, this is where you will write your name, and pages, as I was talking about, this is where you are going to create your pages. So if I want young adulthood, this is where I would search that, or put that, I guess. So I would make a subpage. This is where I like that spelled right, but okay, so there's my adolescence page. I would then create another page. Okay, so it would go on from adolescence, young adulthood, and so on. At the themes page here, you can change whatever theme you prefer, and as well as colors. This is what I had for mine. Okay. You are also able to insert images, text box. You can embed links. If you would like to embed a YouTube video, you can do that as well. Docs, slides, anything is of that nature. Okay. Like I said, it's supposed to be enjoyable. It's supposed to be an enjoyable project. You're using technology as well as your creative mind to create something about your life. I will be around to answer any questions that you may have, but go ahead and have fun.